In prompt box, make an upbeat song about my future self, and click on Create in few seconds.
Rising sun, breaking through the dawn. My future self stands tall and strong. Dreams like gold, shining so bright. We face storms, now we're soaring high tonight. Challenges from many like dark.
So what's going on, guys? Today's video is going to be on a best AI music generator tool, better than Suno and Udio. Before telling its name, welcome to ManuAGI tutorials. Here, we explore the exciting world of AI, latest AI tools for you, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest AI insights. So let's start today's video. So friends, its name is Mureka AI. Best part, you don't need any music knowledge. Just input the lyrics or reference song, any favorite music you like. It will automatically generate the music for you. Choose your favorite singer to sing your song. So friends, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Mureka AI. You will find its link in the description box, or you can search it directly on Google Mureka AI. So this is the first interface of Mureka AI. Here you will see already generated new trending songs on different style. If you like any of these songs, you can make another song like them by clicking the Create Similar button. And here on left side, you will see Music Create button. Here you have to select song or instrumental, whatever you want to create. And here you will find model. Like if you select Mureka AI, this is a studio quality music production, complete music studio in one model. For creating professional great tone, cinematic mixing optimized in all studio frequencies. To generate songs from this, it will cost you 10 credits for 2 songs. Also, Mureka Fee 6. It's offer advanced all-purpose creation, our newest metal, with improved vocal clarity, professional mixing, better arrangement, and more accurate lyrics, support up to 10 languages. And it also consumes up to 2 songs per credit. And last, Mureka Fee 5.5. It's offer featuring quality vocals and good arrangements, and support for 6 languages. Let's start creating music with Mureka AI model. And here you will get 2 types, basic and advanced. So first, try the basic mode. And here you get a prompt box. Simply input your song lyrics or whatever style you want to create a song. And here you will see songs ideas to generate music, like hip-hop, disco, funk, any kind of these you like. You can generate song, for example. I input a prompt here. 89's old school rap, turntablism, vinyl samples, instrumental loop, male vocals, interstellar travel vibes. And when prompt is done, simply click to create button. And here you see our song is starting to creating. I will skip this. Now you can see our song is ready. Let me play this song.
In the dark of a cosmic flight, through galaxies far beyond the light, feel the rush, the thrill, the pure delight. From Earth to Mars, we sail without delay, through the void where only dreams lay.
Wow, what a song made by Mureka. You can also publish your songs here. If other people like your song, you will grow on Mureka AI. And here you get the option, which you can download the video of the song, download the instrumental, and also download the commercial license of the song. This is the ownership certificate. Simply input your data, like, email, and contact name, and simply download your ownership certificate. Also, you can edit song title and cover, and when click on Region Editing button, its supported languages are English, Spanish, Chinese, and more. For the best result, use 1 language per song. Let's try the advanced mode now. Here you simply have to enter the title of your song and input your lyrics. And this is Reference tab. Create song inspired by a reference track. You can upload your reference song here, or choose your reference song through the link here. And here below, in the library, you will already find some previous songs, using which you can create a song for yourself. For example, my favorite reference song, Billie Eilish. Lovely. I will copy the URL of this song and simply paste it here. Next pop-up. Here you have to select the title of the song and the clip of your song, reference music. Also, what type of music do you have to use? Like pop, rock, dark set, energetic, romantic, whatever. Simply select it here and click on Done. Now reference music is done. Here we simply have to write the name of our music and input our music lyrics. When you're done, here is vocal selection for your music. Sing your music with any voice you like. Let's see how. Here you can upload any audio file of your choice for vocal, and also you can paste the URL of your music, who transform any music vocals into your personal AI singer. And here in the library, you will find some singing vocals that you can select for your music.
I dreamed of crafting a song. I dreamed of crafting a song, but the past. I dreamed of crafting a song. I dreamed of crafting a song.
This vocal is perfect for my Billie Eilish reference song, so I'll use this vocal. When it's done, here is descriptions for your music. Enter style, mood, instrument, voice, etc. To control the generated song, also select mode and voice, gender. When it's done, simply click Done. So friends, this way you can enter a description to get your music generated, or you can also select the reference music and vocal according to your need. And the last interesting part here is melody ideas. On beta, simply record a melody idea to kickstart your song. You can also do this by using your own voice. And now all things are done. Simply click on Create. And here on the right side, you can see that our music has started getting generated. Let me skip this processing, and now you can see that here, 2 music have been generated. So let's try the first one.
Thought I found a way. Thought I found a way out. But you never go away. So I guess I gotta stay now. Oh, I hope someday I'll make.
Wow, beautiful. Now let's try the second one.
Found a way out, but you never go away out. So I guess I gotta stay now. Oh, I hope someday I'll make it out of here. Even if it takes all night or 100 years. Need a place to hide, but I can't find one near. Wanna feel alive outside, I can't fight my fear. Isn't it lovely all alone?
That song is absolutely perfect, as I put the reference song, so friends, this is how you can generate your favorite songs or your own song on Mureka AI. And along with this, here you will get a library option where you can publish your song. This allows others to use your work as a reference for similar songs. Here you simply have to write the title of your generated song, set the size and input the music style, and then simply publish it. Is that simple? And here is the pricing of Mureka AI. Subscribe Basic or Pro plan, yearly and monthly. And if you go with the Pro plan, get 800 extra credits for limited time. So what are you waiting for? Start generating your favorite songs or your own songs with Mureka AI. Before doing the video, end. Mureka AI also have API platform, the most powerful API platform for creating AI music. Access the power of our models with APIs. Music generation, custom music model, custom vocal tone, utilize reference track, AI lyric writing, text-to-speech. Also for free users for try Mureka AI. Invite friends to get free credits. Claim 2 credits per friend invited. So I hope you liked this video. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, see you.